In an era of increasing missile threats, the development and production of anti-missile tanks have become a critical component of national defense. Join us on a journey as we unveil the fascinating world of anti-missile tank manufacturing and discover the technology and precision that goes into creating these formidable machines. The journey of anti-missile tanks can be traced back to the mid-20th century, during the height of the Cold War. The escalating threat of intercontinental ballistic missiles prompted the development of early anti-missile systems, albeit less sophisticated than today's counterparts. These early systems were characterized by anti-aircraft artillery and primitive missile interceptors. While they marked a crucial step in defense against missile threats, their effectiveness was limited compared to contemporary systems. The pivotal point in the development of anti-missile tanks came during the intense rivalry of the Cold War. Both the United States and the Soviet Union recognized the critical need to protect their territories and military assets from potential nuclear missile attacks. As a result, they embarked on ambitious missile defense initiatives. In the late 1950s and early 1960s, the US Army deployed the Nike Zeus, and the Soviet Union deployed the A-35 anti-ballistic missile systems. These early systems were pioneering in the field, albeit with their limitations. Their primary purpose was to counter nuclear-tipped intercontinental ballistic missiles, marking a significant step toward effective missile defense. The following decades saw a continuous evolution in anti-missile technology. Research and development efforts focused on improving sensor technology, interceptor missiles, and command and control systems. During this time, various anti-missile systems were designed and tested. One of the most ambitious programs during this period was the U.S. Strategic Defense Initiative, also known as Star Wars, proposed by President Ronald Reagan in the 1980s. Though it faced political and technical challenges, it further underscored the importance of missile defense. The Gulf War in 1990 to 1991 highlighted the evolving threat landscape. Iraq launched Scud missiles against neighboring countries, including Israel and Saudi Arabia. These attacks brought new urgency to missile defense, leading to the development and deployment of advanced systems to counter shorter-range missiles. The Patriot missile system gained recognition for its role in intercepting Scud missiles during the Gulf War. This event marked a turning point in the global perception of anti-missile technology, emphasizing its vital role in safeguarding nations. Now, we find ourselves in a new era of missile threats, with nations and non-state actors acquiring increasingly sophisticated missile capabilities. In response, the development of anti-missile tanks has accelerated. These modern systems incorporate advanced radar, precision interceptors, and robust command and control centers, all geared towards countering diverse missile threats. International collaboration has also grown in prominence as countries join forces to develop and deploy multi-layered missile defense systems. These partnerships leverage the collective expertise and resources of multiple nations to enhance global security. One of the most critical elements of an anti-missile tank is its radar system. Cutting-edge radar technology provides early warning and tracking of incoming missiles. These radar arrays are designed to detect and track threats at long ranges, providing the system with crucial data to assess the situation. Anti-missile tanks are equipped with missile interceptors that are precision-engineered to neutralize incoming threats. These interceptors come in various forms, including kinetic energy interceptors, directed energy weapons, and explosive warheads. Their design and manufacturing process are paramount for mission success. To intercept high-speed missiles, the anti-missile system must have powerful propulsion systems. These include rocket motors and thrusters that propel the interceptor towards the incoming threat. These components are carefully crafted to ensure reliable and precise operation. An anti-missile tank's command and control center serves as the brain of the system. Highly skilled operators monitor incoming threats, assess the situation, and issue firing commands. These control centers incorporate advanced technology and user interfaces designed for swift decision-making. After individual components are created, the anti-missile systems assembly process begins. Skilled technicians meticulously assemble the radar, interceptors, propulsion, and control systems. Rigorous testing is conducted to ensure each component functions seamlessly and to guarantee the system's overall effectiveness. Quality assurance is of utmost importance in anti-missile tank production. Each system undergoes extensive quality control checks to ensure it meets the highest standards of precision and reliability. This phase is essential to guarantee the system's effectiveness during real-world operations. In the modern era, environmental considerations are paramount. Anti-missile tank manufacturers are increasingly focusing on eco-friendly and sustainable practices. This includes minimizing waste, using clean energy sources, and adhering to strict environmental regulations. Once the anti-missile tank is assembled, tested, and quality assured, it is ready for deployment. Transporting these massive systems to their designated locations is no small feat and requires specialized equipment. These tanks may be stationed on land or at sea to protect against missile threats. Live fire testing is the ultimate validation of the anti-missile tank's capabilities. These tests involve launching live missiles and intercepting them in real-world scenarios. The results from these exercises inform ongoing improvements and fine-tuning of the system. The field of anti-missile tank manufacturing is a constant journey of innovation. Scientists and engineers work tirelessly to enhance the technology, improve interceptors, and make the system even more efficient. Continuous research and development keep these defense systems at the forefront of missile threat mitigation. In an interconnected world, international collaboration plays a significant role in anti-missile tank manufacturing. Countries often cooperate on research, development, and production, combining expertise and resources to enhance global security. The true test of anti-missile tanks lies in their real-world deployments. These systems are strategically positioned in key locations, both on land and at sea, to provide comprehensive coverage against a wide range of missile threats. Naval vessels equipped with anti-missile tanks play a critical role in safeguarding international waters, while land-based installations protect national territories. Their continuous presence acts as a deterrent and a last line of defense against potential missile attacks. As missile threats continue to evolve, so do anti-missile tank systems. Manufacturers and defense agencies constantly adapt to counter emerging challenges, whether they be hypersonic missiles, drones, or other advanced technologies. Scientific and engineering expertise is harnessed to stay one step ahead of potential adversaries, ensuring that anti-missile tanks remain at the forefront of missile defense. Behind every anti-missile tank system is a team of highly skilled operators and technicians. They undergo rigorous training to operate and maintain these complex systems, and they must be prepared to respond swiftly in the event of an incoming threat. Simulated exercises are a crucial part of training, allowing operators to practice their response to various scenarios. These exercises enhance readiness and ensure that the anti-missile tanks can perform effectively under pressure. The commitment to missile defense remains unwavering on the global stage. Leaders from different nations come together to discuss strategies and cooperation, emphasizing the critical importance of preserving peace and security in an ever-changing world. When anti-missile tanks are called into action, their mission is clear: to intercept and neutralize incoming threats, protecting lives and ensuring the safety of nations. It's a testament to human innovation and dedication to the cause of defense. In the face of an uncertain world, anti-missile tanks stand as a powerful shield against the uncertainties of missile threats. From their historical roots in the Cold War to their modern-day role in countering diverse missile technologies, these systems embody the resilience, adaptability, and innovation that define the field of defense. As we conclude our journey into the world of anti-missile tank manufacturing, we leave you with the assurance that nations continue to invest in the technology and expertise needed to protect against missile threats, maintaining peace and security for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of anti-missile tank technology. We hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the intricate work that goes into creating these remarkable machines and the critical role they play in safeguarding our world.